All right, boys and girls, this is the answers to the homework. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to go through them real quick. Please, again, see me if you guys still have questions on any of this. So the first four problems ask you if these triangles are congruent. First one, from the information given, it's not, but we know vertical angles are equal. And then since these lines are parallel, we can say that this angle and this angle, because this would be the transversal, are equal because they're alternate interior angles. And if we use this as the transversal, this angle and this angle are equal. Well, if you notice right here, you have angle, side, angle is congruent to angle, side, angle. So the answer would be yes because of the ASA postulate. Number two is a little bit different. This one is going to be, you have a right angle and a right angle, and this angle and this side and this side are both equal. Right? So we know that the overlapping segments theorem would then state that this whole line is congruent to this whole other line. So we have an entire side, we have another side, and we have a right angle. But if you think about it, this would be considered, because this is a right angle, this is a hypotenuse, and this would be a leg. So what you have here is you have the HL theorem. Number three, from the information given, you have an angle is congruent to another angle, you have a side, and you also have this side, which is between the two of them. They share it, so those are equal. There's no other angles, and there's no other sides that could be considered to be congruent. So you have side, side, angle, but that's not a congruence postulate, so the answer is no. Number four, you have an angle, you have a side, and you have an angle. This one was, and you also have another side. In this problem, I think it was a mess up by the bookmaker. They had a tick mark here, so I think they wanted a tick mark there. And so if you didn't think that was a tick mark or these angles were equal, then you wouldn't be able to say that these two triangles were congruent. But if this is a tick mark and these angles are congruent, you have angle, side, angle. So they are congruent. And the other one is if you consider this to be, they both share this side, so you would also have side, angle, side. Either way would have been fine.